champion of the match, and to hand that over today, we do have a KBC Global SAB sales manager who's going to give off the 100,000 rands cash prize to TLB. Congratulations. Thank you so much. Champion of the match.
Champion.